Greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? I hope you guys are all doing fantastic. I'm here today with a haul video, so if you guys were interested in seeing the thrifting video for this particular haul, I'm going to have it linked right there and down below in the description box as well. But if you guys love thrifting, you love thrift hauls and vlogs, don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button to be notified when new videos do go up. Don't forget to add me on Instagram, itsHadrian, just like it's spelled here, and check out my shop at itsHadrian.com to see what I have for sale from my thrifting ventures. And I just updated the store with a ton of really great stuff, so I'm very excited about that. But without further ado, let's head into this haul, and I'll show you guys what I ended up getting. So, the first thing I have here, which I almost literally broke these first two things I'm going to show you, because I literally dropped the bag on the floor, and it's amazing that neither one of them broke. So the first thing I have here is this candle, and it's just a votive candle in a Mercari glass thing. Again, amazed it didn't break because it I dropped it on the floor, which is hard tile, and yeah, so this smells so good. I don't think anyone's ever lit it, but I think it melted, it might have been somewhere hot. The brand is called Capri Blue, or I don't know if that's the color. I don't know. I have no actual idea about this candle, except that it retailed for around $20 something on the bottom. Right there, you can still see the remnants of the sticker, but the price kind of got scratched off. But it just smells so good. It was $2.99, and I was I love candles, so I just got it. It's a really nice scent. The next thing I have here is this Rae Dunn cookie jar, which I would have been really sad if I broke. And it still has the sticker on the bottom too. So this was also this one was $3.99. So this cookie is on the front, and on the back it has a list of the different kind of cookies, which I think is so cute. Imagine if you made cookies and then you just use a dry erase marker and just circle, even if you use a Sharpie, because honestly the Sharpie will come off on here just with water and some soap, and then you can just circle the kind of cookies that are inside. And I think that is really, really cute. It's a nice little touch. And it just opens up like this. I'm just looking at it because I'm did it break? I don't think so. Did I break it? There's still remnants of cookies inside. So I'm gonna have to clean it. I don't know if they've ever washed this, but I think they did. But it still has the stickers on the bottom. Anyway, $3.99 I think was a great price for this Rae Dunn cookie jar. Very, very excited about that. I love Rae Dunn stuff. I think it's so cute. Oh, I did have to get some stuff for the office. And it's just a bunch of manila envelopes from Staples. These were $1.99. And that's crazy because these are usually so expensive. And I didn't actually open it up to see how many were left. But when you shake it, it sounds like there's still a lot. And it's still pretty heavy. So I'm even if there's only 50, I feel it's worth it for $1.99. I feel that's a great price. And I always need vanilla envelopes with a little clasp on them. So very, very excited to have found these. Especially because I ran out of envelopes recently. And I actually found a box of even larger envelopes than that. And then this is a nice smaller size, which is awesome. So now I have two different sizes, and I got them for a really great deal. So I just hate buying envelopes full price. They're so expensive, and whenever you can find them at the Goodwill, I'm always yes, so excited. So that's a good little tip for you guys. Check the Goodwill to see if they have office supplies for you. The next thing I have here, I don't know why I always end up buying these. Wait, did I already show you guys this? I think I already showed you guys this. Just kidding. I already showed you guys what's inside this bag in another video. I actually grabbed the wrong one. But if you guys want to see that video, I'm going to have it linked right there as well if you guys would like to check that out. Okay, so I told myself that I was going to be strong. Not buy the kids any more toys because it was just Christmas. It was Kate's birthday, and then it was just Liza's birthday this past week, and then Zach's birthday is coming up very soon, but I couldn't resist the deal. The kids love building things and then knocking them down. They're I don't know what it is about them. They're just little boys like that. But I found this really cool game, and it's called Build or Boom. And I guess like you build like y'all have to each child has to build something on their little thing, and they have to design it before they build it. I don't know. I was reading the directions on the back. So anyway, then the first one to finish gets to hit the thing and then blow up like the other person's thing. And I know that they're literally just gonna build stuff and like make them explode. They're not even gonna actually play. But I mean, they're still gonna like it. They're still gonna get fun out of it. It's gonna give like it's gonna help like with motor skills and I don't know, thinking, critical thinking. I have no clue. But this was $4.99, so it's $5. But the color of the week was blue, so it was only $2.50. Yay! Very cute. I'm gonna give that to Liza. He's gonna love it. Okay, so I forgot that I got another Rae Dunn thing, and I am super excited for this because I love vases. Anything to do with plants, I enjoy it. I like it. I love plants so much. And I want to turn all these things around so you guys can actually get a good look, but I feel like it's going to be really hard to turn them around. Anyway, it's a pack of these flower vases by Rae Dunn. And this one says Joy. This one says Flower with a flower on it. The Joy one also has a flower. Spring has a bird on it, and this one's my favorite, and it's a Believe with a B. Get it? Believe. And it's so stinking cute. I love this so much. Brand new in box, only $4.99. So that's pretty much almost like $1 for each. And I did have a coupon for this whole purchase. It was 25% off your entire purchase. So it was pretty much $1 for each one. So that's very exciting. I'm excited. Yay! So, Rae Dunn, I love you. You always come up with the cutest stuff. I'm gonna put that with my Rae Dunn cookie jar. And I can't wait for like spring and flowers. We actually... California's a little crazy. It's like raining pretty intensely, but today it's actually like not raining, but it's supposed to rain the rest of the week. But like the flowers and plants are loving it. The roses are like in full bloom right now, and I want to go cut them before it starts raining again. So I want to put them in those vases. And the next thing I have here, I really love these wallets. I don't know why I like them so much, but this vintage Dooney and Burke wallet, and I think the reason I love it so much is because it has a kiss lock. I don't know why I love kiss locks so much. I feel like it's so cool to like open and close them, but I think it might also be my inner grandma, because you know, like whenever they have like those old movies, or like there's ever like a little old grandma or something, like a really cute one in a movie, she always like she has her little pocketbook, and it always, I don't know why, I feel like they always have this little turn lock clasp on whatever they're carrying, and it's just so cute. And I don't know, I just like love turning it. I think it also reminds me of my grandma, because she had like this little like coin pouch purse thing that she kept like her money in, and she like whenever we went anywhere she'd always carry it, and then it was so cute. And then like she'd open it like this, and then I don't know, when I was little I loved playing with it, and I would just like sit there and open and close it. Like I thought it was so fun, and I would just like sit there and like open and close her little thing. I don't know, it was so weird. But I don't know, it just I think like just like the sensory memory of like opening and closing it, like it reminds me of my grandma, and I love my grandma so much. And yeah, so it always reminds me of her, which is okay. I know, Hadrian's like too much, stop talking. But it's really cute. It's even made in USA. So Dooney and Burke, made in USA. Still has, it even has like a little pen holder, which is so adorable as well. Because I feel like wallets don't really have pen holders anymore, because people don't usually use checkbooks anymore. So there you go. Next thing we have here is we do have this beautiful Furla bag. I thought this bag was so cute. It's like a crackled black patent leather with silver hardware. I like love the lock on this. Like it turns, and it's like so substantial. It's like I'm like opening like, I don't know, like a vault, like a bank vault or something. But here's the interior. The fabric is so cool too, because it's like, I don't know why like it looks so vintage to me, but I just thought it was really nice. And then it has like random like letters in there that spell out Furla. So there's one zipper pocket, and that's pretty much it in the interior. And this bag was $6.99. So there you go. Great, right? I really like this bag. It's really cute. It's a great little crossbody. You could probably even use it as a belt bag. You can just like finagle it, and there you go. So shiny. Okay, last but not least, we have this bag right here. Let me just kind of like, I'm gonna fix it up a little bit or something. But it is this Michael Kors kind of like drawstring hobo bag. It's black pebbled leather with gold hardware. I don't know, I just like the details on it. I think it's really cute. And you can just like tighten it up a little bit, but it actually has a magnetic clasp right there. So that's like kind of how the bag looks, which I kind of like. I like a kind of like a drawstring pleated-esque kind of detail, and that's that for you. And you can just carry it on your shoulder like this, and it's nice and comfy. I actually really like it. So that rounds out today's video. Thank you guys again so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to say hi down below in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more thrifting, haul videos, vlogs. And I'm going to be doing a lot more home decor as well with like thrifted items and like budget-friendly home decor. So don't forget to tune in for all of that. But I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for sticking around, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye! Okay, so in the other video when I was